All right, well, welcome. My name is Jeff Boian, and I have the distinct honor and privilege of serving as the Associate Director for Career Strategy within the Office of Career Strategy in the Drucker School of Management at Claremont Graduate University. That is quite a mouthful. I've been asked to come and quickly record a video to help you, in some ways, navigate around Brazen. So we live in a strange world these days, where we used to have, not even a year ago, face-to-face interaction on a regular basis, and now we have virtual interaction on a regular basis. And so some of these things that we're going to be doing within Brazen can be a bit confusing. So in our hopes to kind of mitigate some of those challenges, I want to show you around. Okay, so let's really just jump in, and I'll do a couple-minute video, and hopefully this will be very helpful. So you should have already signed up for this event, whatever event that is in the future. This happens to be a sandbox for the Caltech and Harvey Mudd Career Fair. So I have signed up, I have registered, and in doing so, I had to fill out an event registration, which you, of course, will do yourselves. And then you have these documents or these questions that are being asked of you. Okay, so your event registration, you can come in and do certain things at certain times. Some of them are required, so you can see that there are a few things right here indicates required field, and some are not. So let me talk with you about this. So couple things to keep in mind. You're going to want to have a picture, right? I have an image right now of Marty McFly talking to Doc from Back to the Future. And actually the picture says, whatever you do, do not go to 2020, right? That's funny because it's actually pretty true. 2020 has been a very challenging year. Here's the deal though. You want a picture that represents your professional self, okay? So something similar, if not identical to what you've included on your LinkedIn profile, okay? So make sure that you have a really good professional headshot for your picture, because this is perhaps the first representation that somebody will see of you when it comes to chatting about potential jobs in this virtual career fair setting, okay? And then, of course, whatever state you're in. I know currently, I'm in California, but you may not be in California. So how do you want to kind of frame your positioning? If you're looking for a job perhaps on the East Coast, maybe you live on the East Coast currently and you want to return to the East Coast, maybe you want to put that your state of residence is the East Coast state of residence rather than the California state of residence where you may be as a student, okay? And then similarly, you want to put your country and then your resume, okay? Make sure you have a very professional, updated resume that you can upload. You can alter this if need be. You can change it when you want to if you have updated things to include on resumes down the road. But for purposes of this right now, make sure you have your professional resume. And of course, make sure that you have a peer advisor or a professional within the Career Development Office review that prior to the event so that it is as written as best as it possibly can, okay? And then you can put in your degree. You can probably kind of have some variation here. Do you want to put Bachelor of Science? Do you just want to put the actual degree that you've completed, so forth, right? The title. I have a Bachelor of Science in Recreation Administration as my undergrad from way back when. I've just simply chosen to include Recreation Administration. And then, of course, my phone number. So that's my event registration, and this will show up in the system as you register for the event, okay?